Tigil! Taas kamay! Taas mo yung name mo, gamit yung palang kamay mo. Biko, dahan-dahan. Look! Good! Taas kamay! Assistant Sergeant Fernandez, I'm arresting you by violating dangerous drugs act. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you make if used or against you in court of the Philippines. You have the right to have competent and independent counsel preferably of your own choice. Independent of court services and counsel, the government will provide one for you. Do you understand these rights? Yes.
Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik o magsawalang hibo. Ano man ang iyong sasabihin ay maaaring pabor o laban sa iyo sa anumang hukuman. Ikaw ay may karapatan ding kumuha ng tagapagtanggol na iyong